Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by saving files and fully shutting down. This prevents hibernation from bypassing firmware. Make sure Fast Startup is off on Windows because it skips BIOS access. Once done, reconnect power or battery and attach an external keyboard if your laptop's keys are unreliable. You want to know the correct firmware key for your model, manufacturer docs, or the startup splash hint it. Press that key immediately as the system powers on. Timing matters because modern firmware checks only briefly. Once you hit the BIOS entry key during post, you'll land in the firmware interface. If you miss it, restart and try immediately. Use arrow keys and enter to move. Tab, ESC, and F10 commonly switch panels or save and exit. Make sure to move slowly through sections labeled Boot, Security, or Advanced. Those hold boot order, secure boot, and virtualization settings. When changing boot order, select USB or DVD first if installing an OS, and document original values so you can restore them. You finish by saving changes and exiting. Typically F10 or the Save and Exit option commits settings and reboots. Make sure the system boots as expected. If not, re-enter firmware to restore previous values. If you cannot access BIOS at all, try an external keyboard. Remove the battery for 30 seconds to reset CMOS on removable battery models, or consult the vendor for a firmware update. As a last resort, load default settings to regain stability, then reapply only necessary changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.